Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send mass message to multiple contact on Twitter. So this is software that I use. First we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage unlimited number of Twitter accounts. To send mass DM, I will go to viral marketing, and I will choose send message function. First I will enter the target list that I want. You can scrape users in the scan data section. Here, I scrape users from the comments of posts. I will enter the list here, list of the username. Next, I will prepare the content that I want to send. I will go to content management and here I can click to add post. So, I can add the post. You can attach image or video. And here I will select the post. I will choose this post and then I click save. So I will have the 26 content here and the message will spin in this content. Next I will set up the basic configuration. Number of thread is the number of account running at the same time. This is the number of DM that each account will send. And this is the break interval time. I will set up 10 to 15 seconds. After everything is set up, I will choose the account and then I press start. And you can see the software will also open the browser. And start logging into X and will send mass DM in the script that we set up. Each Twitter account, if verified, you can send up to 450 DM each. Because my accounts haven't purchased the X membership plan, many actions are limited. If you need to send mass DMs, you will need to purchase an X membership. I'm only demonstrating how the software works. This is not an error. The people that not allowed to send, the software will count as an error and will delete the username at the send. So between the account there will no duplication. And you will need a warm-up process for 7 days before you start sending DM. You can watch on my channel or contact me so I can help you. So I just show you how I send mass DM on Twitter to do outreach. If you need more information, please contact me my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to my channel.